in the air fryer and place all fish fillet on it. Set timer of 20 minutes. You can also deep fry it or shallow fry it. Our juicy and healthy fish fillet are ready to serve. Serve it with fries. Super delicious!